Is Lyft Express Drive still worth it? Let's talk about that.
Lyft Express is a rental program allowing drivers to lease vehicles for rideshare work without owning a car. For its cost, its weekly cost ranges from $176 to $222 for hybrids for electrical vehicles excluding taxes and fees. The pros for this is that it has no personal vehicle needed. It is ideal for those without a qualifying car or who prefer not to use their own vehicle. Next is for their included services. Its insurance and maintenance reduce out-of-pocket expenses. Cons is that lower earnings per ride. Rental drivers may earn approximately 17% less per ride compared to those using personal vehicles. So, is it still worth it? For new drivers, testing the rideshare waters without a personal vehicles, it can be beneficial to that. Temporary needs, it's that it is beneficial for short-term solutions while awaiting vehicle repairs or replacement. Lastly, for urban locations with consistent ride request. However, for long-term drivers or those in need with lower demand, the cost may outweigh the benefit.